These are the deadliest plane crashes in history. Top 5 shocking plane crashes. 5 Malaysia Airlines 370, 2014, vanished without a trace, a mystery unsolved. 5 Malaysia 370, lost forever. 4 Air France 447, 2009, stalled over the Atlantic, 228 lives lost. 4 Air France, ocean tragedy. 3 Japan Airlines 123, 1985, catastrophic failure, 5 of 20 fatalities. 3 JAL 123, deadly crash. 2 Tenerife disaster 1977, runway collision, 583 dead. 2 Tenerife, worst collision. 1 American Airlines 191, 1979, crashed on takeoff in Chicago, 273 gone. 1 AA 191, Chicago horror. Shocked? Subscribe for more and check my links below. Subscribe, link in bio.